spread of this deadly coronavirus has badly affected the life of people all over the world, with losing lives to losing jobs, decline in economy, and now cancelling of 12th board exams has left parents as well as students in a complete difficult and confused state. According to the recent orders issued by the government on cancellation of 12th board exams, the students are puzzled as what should they do now. So guys, this is me Pia, and today in this video we shall discuss in brief about the present situation and what best steps can students take to overcome this problem. But before we proceed further, if you are planning to study abroad, do watch this complete video as there is something important that you might get to know. Talking about what can students do now. The very first thing that the student can do is continue preparing for their class 12 board exams, because as we are all aware that students will be given marks in accordance to their past performance. So in case if the student is not satisfied with his or her marks, the student has the option to sit for the board exams. Although the time span would be short, therefore if you are well prepared for your exams, it won't hamper your dreams of scoring well in your boards. If you're planning for NEET or JEE examinations this year, please do not stop studying, because the guidelines for examinations to be held are uncertain. Therefore, continue preparing for your exams in order to achieve good score. Students preparing for Delhi University admissions can start preparing for CUCET, that is the Central Universities Common Entrance Test, which is highly accepted by universities. So you may never know, Delhi University might give you admission on the basis of CUCET. The most important thing students can do right now is to prepare the list of courses and colleges on the following basis. First, aspirational, realistic, and third is backup. It is recommended to research well on the same and then prepare your list, as it helps you in filling up of the forms for the shortlisted colleges or universities. In the meanwhile, if you are looking for various career options, here is the list. First, digital marketing. You can join various certificate training programs for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or YouTube, which are of generally 1 or 2 days, and in-depth information is provided about the same. Second, spoken English. If you face problem in speaking English, look for some spoken English classes wherein you can learn the language and speak it confidently. Third, soft skills. This is the right time to master the soft skills ability, as it will prepare you gradually for the group discussions and personal interview rounds that may be required to ace in various competitive exams and undergraduate examinations. Fourth, personality development. This is a beneficial program for undergraduates, as it will help in enhancing your personality and developing your confidence. Fifth, graphic designing and video editing. If you are a creative person and is fond of designing or editing, then graphic designing and video editing is a profession for you. For hands-on experience, you can check out few websites like canva.com, trello.com, bfunky.com and try creating amazing graphics for free. Sixth, creative writing. If you have a flair for writing, then start writing blogs and articles, as it will help you in polishing your writing skills along with getting some more earnings for yourself. Also, the links for the above courses are given in the description below. Don't forget to check them out. Now, talking about study abroad options for students, well, if you are planning for USA, then surely there's a good news for you, because USA is the only country where the impact of cancellation of board exams is lesser, as the country has its own admission process and guidelines that varies from university to university. Now, talking about the countries that offers provisional admissions to the students like Canada, UK and more, we need to wait for the guidelines, as they might be affected by this decision. Also, if you are confused or bogged down from various career options and not sure of the best career match with your aptitude and personality, you must take a psychometric test, which will help you in finding the best career options. In order to take the psychometric test and one-on-one counseling session, you can reach out to us. That's all for now. For more such updates, please like this video and do subscribe to our channel.